See, as far as the Nifty and the Bank Nifty are concerned, and during this forthcoming week, you may start with a good momentum. But as we go forward, right, all these various uncertainties that I'm talking about, the US jobs report, the Fed meeting, and there are many other election uncertainties surrounding India which are not apparent as of now. But the final shape of the government, I think the market will start discounting very soon. All this will start coming into the picture. Okay. And as far as last week, people realized that there were a few days of very good momentum. And then there were some few slow days. You may see similar situation now. Exceptions will be there, that there will be some negativity which may creep in. But I believe that on the whole, there will be a reasonably good start. But how long that will sustain based on these various economic indicators which are coming out of the US, that will become a question, and that will have a severe impact on the markets. Both domestic factors, people are not discounting the India elections. I don't think the final outcome in any event will be as per expectations of people. It's going to be a little different. So the form of the government, which parties will finally come and form, those things will be different. Yes, the Modi factor is very strong, yet the final shape will be very different from what the markets are anticipating. Okay? To get to know more, do join our Ram Navami package. It's there only for a few more days. It gives you daily predictions on the market. So, bhai aur behno, for that you can WhatsApp us on 9820861044. Bhai aur behno, मार्केट का जो कुल मिला जुला रहेगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम के कुछ दिन रहेंगे और कुछ किस्में कुछ वीकनेस और कठिनाई भी आ सकती है, क्योंकि अमेरिका की जॉब्स रिपोर्ट को फैक्टर इन करना शुरू करेगी भारत की मार्केट्स जो हैं, और प्लस इलेक्शन के जो रिजल्ट्स हैं उनको भी फैक्टर करेंगी. तो कुछ मोमेंटम अच्छा बहुत, और कुछ में कुछ नेगेटिविटी, और कुछ में कुछ मिला जुला सा फल. स्टार्ट ओके रहना चाहिए जहां तक मेरा समझ है, और क्योंकि ये इंडिकेटर्स तो धीरे धीरे आते रहेंगे इसके लिए. ठीक है, और जैसे आएंगे हम पूरा आपको अच्छी तरह से डिटेल में इन वेरी स्मॉल इकोनॉमिकल कॉस्ट वी आर गिविंग यू इन द राम नवमी पैकेज विच हैज डेली प्रेडिक्शंस. यहाँ तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं प्रीमियम वैल्यू, जो पूरा हफ्ते का आपको प्रेडिक्शंस एडवांस में देता है. सभी के लिए आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. एक ही नंबर है 9820861044. जय हिंद, जय श्री राम.